Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, December 10th. So, what's going on today? Well, we have got some red items, red news items from forexfactory.com calendar. And you can see that we have a yellow item at 10:30 crude oil inventories. Earlier, 8:30, we had a red number. Employment cost index quarter over quarter came in less than expected. That's good news. But at 2 o'clock is when the big number comes out. So 2 o'clock, we have the federal funds rate, the FOMC economic projections, and the FOMC statement. Then, sometime after that point, we get the federal budget or budget balance, and the 2:30 FOMC press conference. So, what does all that mean in English? In English, at 2 p.m., the Federal Reserve chairman will announce the rates, whether they're going to raise or lower rates. And they're going to have multiple press releases at the same time. And then at 2:30, he's going to have a live press conference and explain what is going on with the economy and with the increase or the decrease in interest rates, or the no change, whichever outcome it happened at 2 o'clock, right? So he's going to do an explainer there. And the market is literally going to go nuts at 2 p.m. And it may go nuts after 2 p.m. as well, especially at 2:30, if he adds something to the picture wasn't previously known. So from 2 o'clock to 2:30, need to be very, very careful and very aware of what news is going on. And you want to probably stand aside for the 2 p.m. all the way till after maybe 2:45 to see if things settle out after the Fed has released all the information it's going to release. So there you have that. Looking at charts. So let's go back to the daily chart. Daily chart, we're still in this consolidation band in this long bull flag. Above the moving averages, so still bullish, but continuing to go sideways in the short run, down in the medium run, long in the bullish in the longer term. So continue to have very pathetic December volume continuing to go down. You can see how yesterday 932K when average is about 139. Yeah, it's well below average and well below what we had going on in November. So moving on, looking at the inventory. Inventory was negative for negative price action. Those are correlated. That's what we expect. So at least yesterday, the market was acting like it should. Looking at the overnight action, we have approximately 25 points. That's right around average. So volatility, it looks like it's trying to slow down a little bit. Where do we have support and resistance? Well, we've got some resistance at 68.59, 68.65, some confluence around 68.72. Of course, we've been talking about this. 6,900 is kind of the line in the sand. On the bottom side, support 6,800. And in between, we've got 68.12, 68.21, 68.26. The overnight low was 68.34. So those are your support levels below current price. Stock Traders Almanac today is 57.1, 57.1. So there's a positive bias for today from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Remember, Fed, 2 p.m. Watch out. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.